Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make the only potato salad recipe you'll ever need. First, select about 2 pounds of Yukon Gold or red potatoes. These varieties hold their shape well and offer a creamy texture. Boil them until they are fork tender, which usually takes 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, drain them thoroughly and let them cool completely before dicing them into 1-inch pieces. This cooling step is crucial for the best consistency. Next, let's craft the perfect creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. Then, add 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. Its tangy flavor is essential. Stir in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to brighten the whole mixture. Finally, season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix until everything is smooth and well combined. Now for the delicious additions that elevate this potato salad. Gently fold in 1/2 cup of finely diced celery. It provides a wonderful crunch. Next, add 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion for a subtle, fresh bite without being overpowering. Then, mix in 2 large hard-boiled eggs, roughly chopped, for added richness. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped dill for an aromatic finish. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Gently combine your cooled, diced potatoes with the creamy dressing and all the delicious mix-ins in a large bowl. Be careful not to mash the potatoes. Once everything is well combined, cover the bowl and chill the potato salad for at least 2 hours. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. For more great deals and to grab your little tree's black ice, check the description below. Garnish with extra fresh dill or a sprinkle of paprika just before serving. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.